Cool. So now we're going to move on to the next part for fixer. So in fixer, I want to sum up the list of elements where I've applied some function f to each element, and then I only want to sum the ones though that once I apply f onto x, that it's positive. So we see here that f of x has to be greater than 0. So what I'm thinking is that I can use some list comprehension and take out every single value where I see that f of x is not greater than 0. So I can use the conditional in the back. So I'll just leave the front for a second. So for I in sequence, if f of I is greater than 0, right? So what should be at the beginning of my list, right? I want the sum of f of x's, right? So why don't I create a list of everything with f applied onto it, right? So now that I have this list, I need to remember that I don't want to return a list. I want to return some number, right? So I can't just leave it like this list. So I need to remember to be able to sum everything that I have in my list, right? Because I want the sum of all the f of x's, or f of i's in this case.